I will always love you happily and show you how joyful I am because of you. I do not know what the future hold, but I can promise you that you are the most important to me. Now I am optimistic about our future because our love is strong. Let us keep the faith. I am not sure why I do not stop thinking about you. I do not explain how special you are to me because I know I would not know the right words. I always hope that you see how significant you are to me. My heart is yours forever. Your love is a gift. I do not mind if others do not understand how beautiful you are, and I do not care if they do not like you. You are mine, and I am yours. People of mine will not affect us because being together is what matter. I live every day hoping to wake up someday with you beside me. Nothing can make me happier than a day that starts with you and ends with you. Good morning.